Hello friends, hope everyone is doing good. So without wasting time, let's get started. हम सभी को पता है बीपीएससी ने अभी 21 सितंबर 2021 को असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर का एग्ज़ाम लिया जिसमें सिविल और दूसरे ब्रांचेस भी थे. So I am here with the question paper. I also appeared for this exam and it was very difficult to find previous year question papers. I think that was conducted way back in 2014 or 15. So in the notification, syllabus was mentioned as same as the GATE examination. Means the syllabus is specified for civil engineering GATE examination. It was same, but the difference between the question paper was very huge. Calculator was not allowed. Okay, so you can easily guess that long calculation questions will not be asked. There were no negative markings, so you have to attend all the questions. You can read the important instructions right now here. In the point number 3, it's written attempt all questions. Rest instruction you should read yourself. And briefly, one more thing, there were 100 questions earlier, but this time only 80 questions, and out of 80, 30 questions were from mathematics. Okay, question was easy, but if you are preparing very well, then it's okay. Otherwise you will miss the facts what have been asked in the question paper. So I tried to keep the video as short as possible. Okay, and I'm just recording from the screen. If you want to read all the questions and note it, just pause the video and write it down. Okay, so you can see a lot of questions from first year engineering mathematics and third semester integration, differentiation, function. Sorry, this way you can see question number 5 to 11. Next slide, you can see all the questions were also easy. If you have little bit concept, you can solve the questions easily. So up to 30 there are mathematics question. Now you will have the question from engineering specific subjects. You can see design, and questions were uniformly distributed from whether it is steel design or concrete design, then fluid mechanics, soil mechanics, concrete technology, structural mechanics. Questions were asked like from hinge section and arcs. Okay, then viscosity, you can see here the steel chimney, so it is not from concrete design but steel design. Okay, so 48, then 49 to 54, you see the first year engineering question, engineering chemistry question, BOD, COD. Then questions were from environmental engineering, surveying. Okay, so these are small. You just have to remember a simple formula, just put the value and you will get the answer. Okay, see, anaerobic sludge digestion mainly yields, so it was a way easy and very factual questions. Zeolite process used for what, like you can see this questionnaire 72, Westergaard's theory is more suitable for. So if you know it, you will mark it correctly. If you don't know it, you cannot guess. Okay, so factual questions are there. So that's it. You can pause the video and note all the questions, and I am not given the answers because when BPSC will release its official answer key, I will make another video. Okay, bye.